Welcome to our tutorial video, where we will be exploring the integration of online stores with NRS Retail's point-of-sale system for 2024. The NRS POS system is an advanced retail management tool that simplifies the sales process, inventory management, and customer service. But what sets it apart is its ability to integrate seamlessly with online stores, proposed as a game-changer for brick-and-mortar businesses wanting to venture into the digital world. This video aims to provide a detailed walkthrough of the process for integrating your online store with the NRS Retail POS System 2024. Now, let's dive into the specifics. The process of integrating the NRS POS system with an online store is as simple as it gets. Start by logging into your NRS POS user account and navigating to the Integration section. Find the Online Stores option and select your e-commerce platform from the list provided. From Shopify to WooCommerce, the system supports a multitude of platforms. Follow the on-screen instructions for an effortless integration setup and you'll be up and running in no time, successfully bridging the gap between your physical store and its digital counterpart. Now that we've practically experienced the integration process, let's talk about its benefits. Integration with the NRS POS system means real-time inventory updates that mirror your physical store. Sales made online immediately reflect in the physical store inventory, preventing overselling. The system also allows for centralized order management, making it more convenient to manage orders from multiple sales channels. Furthermore, this integration enhances your marketing efforts by giving you access to customer purchasing patterns and behavior, thus enabling personalized marketing initiatives. Personalized assistance. Don't settle for generic advice. Our NRS agents offer tailored guidance to meet your unique needs. No matter where you are on your financial journey, we're here to help you reach your destination. Click the link now to book a callback time now.